Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to the Mahdi English School. Myself, Nilofer Miss, and my subject is mathematics, right? So I hope that you all like this subject, mathematics, right? And for which class this online lecture is? So this online lecture is for the class 2. So let's start today a new chapter, right? So are you all ready to start a new chapter? But in the previous lecture we had done a word problem, the last exercise of the chapter number 12, right? So word problem is a main thing that will definitely ask in the exams. So that is a compulsory to do a revision of the word problem. So we did a word problem in the last lecture, in the previous lecture. So today let's do a revision of the word problem first, and then we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 13. But as you know this thing that before we start a lecture, before we begin a lecture, we always see a one quote of the day. So here is the quote of the day, that life is like riding a bicycle. Our life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. So, till you have your balance, your life moving very easily. You don't lose your balance from your life. So, this one is a very deep lens. If you understand this, that is very important quote. So, here is the revision now. Hello students, now see this. This one is exercise 11.2, but you have to write down is a 12.2. This is not a 11.2, this is a 12.2. So as I told you before also that always check the instruction first. What to check? You have to check the instruction. If any instruction is given for us to solve this exercise, this given exercise, see, question number 1, answer the following questions. This is the instructions. So we have to read the questions very carefully and then understand it, and then we can try to solve it. So here number A, let's read the number A. Very carefully we have to read it. Deepak has rupees 20. Okay, suppose there is a boy whose name is Deepak. He is having rupees 20. How much more money does he need? See, read the question. How much more money does he need to buy this chocolate? So what is the price for the chocolate? See the picture of the chocolate and also a price tag for the chocolate is given. You can check this. The chocolate is given, and this one you can check this rupees 28 is written. So you can call it a price tag. So the price of the chocolate is rupees 28 and Deepak have rupees 20. How much money he has? He has rupees 20. So how much more money he need to buy this chocolate? So how do we know that how much money he need? What to do, addition or subtraction? First of all, we have to decide this thing, that which operation we have to follow. If it is a addition or if it is a subtraction, we have to decide this thing. So if the price for the chocolate is 28 and Deepak has 20 rupees, so we have to cut the numbers. So which one is a bigger amount from this given two numbers, rupees 20 or rupees 28? Which one is a bigger amount? Yes, here the one example has been done for us. 28 is a bigger amount than rupees 20, right? So we are writing 28 upper side, and at the under the 28 we can write down 2020. And here we have to put the minus sign. Which sign we have to put? A minus sign. Now let's start doing subtraction with the right side or with the ones column. This is a rule for till the standard 12, you have to start addition, subtraction, whatever you have to do with the right side or with the ones column. Now 8 minus 0. 0 means nothing. It means what? We are not cutting anything from 0. I repeat this thing again for you. Here is 8 minus 0. 0 means nothing. It means we are not cutting anything from the 8. So 8 minus 0, it means 8 only, and 2 minus 2, this is the tens column. 2 minus 2. So we cut 2 from 2. So 2 minus 2, it means 0. So we are not writing anything because 0 means nothing. So here the answer is given in the words also. This answer is in a number. But we have to give answer in the words also. Whenever you are solving a word problem sum, it is compulsory to give answer in the word form also. So here you have to write down this way, answer, and then 2 dot you have to put this way. Now write down the answer. Deepak needs ₹8 more to buy the chocolate. This way you have to write down in the fair book also. Deepak needs ₹8 more to buy the chocolate. This is the answer. Now number B. Let's go for the number B. Supriti gave the shopkeeper ₹20. Read the question very carefully and please try to understand it. Supriti gave the shopkeeper ₹20 for the ice cream. See, the picture of the ice cream is given and the price tag is also given with the ice cream. So what is the price for the ice cream is also given. Let's continue this question first. Supriti gave the shopkeeper ₹20 for the ice cream. How much money did she get back? So the price for the ice cream is ₹12 and Supriti gave 20 rupees to the shopkeeper. So how much money did she get back? How much money she did get back? So first of all, let's write down the bigger amount from these two amounts. One is a 20 and one is a 12. So which one is a bigger amount, 20 or 12? Yes, the 20 is a bigger amount. So let's write the 20 first this way. We have to write down 20 this way. Now under 20 we can write down 12 this way. And which sign we can put? We are putting this minus sign. Here is the minus sign. Now let's do subtraction, that how much money did she get back. We just try to know that how much money she did get back. Now let's start subtracting with the ones column. So here is 0 is at the upper side and 2 is under the 0. So we can't subtract 2 from the 0. 0 is means nothing. So we can't subtract 2 from the 0. So what we should do? So we have to take borrow. It means 10 numbers from the tens column this way. First of all, we have to cut 0 and put 10 numbers there. From where we are 10, we are taking from where? From this tens column. Now we can easily cut 2 numbers from the 10. So 2 minus 10, it means we are cutting 2 numbers from the 10. It means it is 8 rupees. How much? We have to write down 8 under the ones column. Now let's move to the tens column. So let's cut 2 because we are taking a 1/10 from it. And it is 2 become a 1. Now 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. It means nothing. So what is the answer? How much money Supriti did get back? So Supriti she will get back ₹8. How much money she will get back? ₹8. This way you have to write down the answer also. Now number C is here. See this, number C. Ajitha bought these gifts for her friends. This gifts is given with the price tag. How much money did she spend? So here Ajitha is bought 2 gifts. So the price for the gift number 1 is ₹36 and the other gift's price is ₹48. So what we should do, which operation we have to follow first? We have to find out the total cost. We have to find out how money did she spend. So let's write down 36 first and then 48. This way we can write down these two amounts which is given here. So we have to do addition here because we find out how money did she spend. So let's do addition here. 6 plus 8. So how much it is? 6 plus 8. So just count by your fingers, and if you can't, then just count into your book that how much it is. 6 plus 8. So 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So from the 14 I put 4 here, and 1 will move as a carry forwarded number on the 10th column. You can check this. So now 1 plus 3 plus 4, it is 84 rupees. So how much money did Ajitha bought? How much money she spent for these two gifts? So she spent rupees 84. You have to write down answer this way in the word form also, that she spent rupees 84. You have to give answer in this way, and you have to note down in the fair book also. This way you have to write it down. Now number D. Rashi bought the ice cream. See here the ice cream is given. What is the price for the ice cream? Rupees 80. Ankita bought the pastry. So the price for the pastry is also given, rupees 23. How much money did Ankita spend? How much more money did Ankita spend? So whose price is more, pastry or ice cream? Pastry's price is more than the ice cream. So let's write 23 first, and then under it we write down 80, right? And we have to find out how much more money. It means we have to follow the subtraction. Which operation we have to follow? We have to follow the subtraction. 3 minus 8. So we can't subtract 8 number from the 3. It is not possible to subtract 8 number from the 3. So let's cut the 3 number, and we can put 10 numbers from the 10th column and add 3 into it. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 30. So now we can easily cut 8 number from the 30. So 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. How much? 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Now let's regrouping this tens column to become a 1. Now 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. This one is the answer, that 1 minus 1 is a 0. So how much more money did Ankita spend? So we can write down the answer this way. Ankita spent rupees 5 more. How much money she spent more? She spent rupees 5 more. Okay. Who spent more? Ankita. Now the last question is there. Sahida bought a book and a pencil for rupees 52. See here, the price for the book is given. Check this. The price for the book is 42, and we have to find out that what is the price for the pencil, because you can see there is a question mark is given in the price tag of the pencil. We have to find out this. Zahida bought a book and a pencil for rupees 52. Total how much money she gave to the shopkeeper? Total she gave 52 to the shopkeeper, and the price for the book is 42. So what is the price for the pencil? How much did the pencil cost? So first of all, the two price we have 52 and 42. So let's write down a 52 first, and under it we can write down 42. We have to find out that what is the cost, what is the price for the pencil. So we should do subtraction. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, and 5 minus 4 we have to put the minus sign. I forget to put, you please put it. I just put it here. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, and 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So the price for the pencil is rupees 10. What is the price for the pencil? Rupees 10. So here I am writing in the words. So the cost of the pencil is rupees 10. So this way you have to write down the answer in the words also. You can give answer in the words. So you have to write down in the fire book, and if you have a textbook, so you can feel this exercise in the textbook also and write down once in a rough book also. This is your homework also, students. Please do revision for this exercise. This is a very important exercise for us. So please note it down in the fire book and try to do revision. So my dear students, here is the chapter number 13. What is the name of this chapter? So in your textbook, the chapter number 13, we completed the chapter number 12. This one is the second last chapter of your textbook. So we are very close to end the textbook. So we are in the chapter number 13, and the name of this chapter is data handling. What is the name of this chapter? Or data handling. Here the name I written here, and in some big handwriting I am also giving a heading, so you can easily read the heading of this chapter. Chapter number 13. The number of this chapter is 13, and the name of this chapter is data handling. So have you any idea about this chapter, that which types of sum will come, which topics will come in this chapter, what is the topic is exactly? Having any idea, students? So if you have textbook, so some students can just turn the pages and check that which types of information is there, or which types of sum is there, which types of questions are there. But those students who don't have a textbook, so they don't have any idea that which types of content will come, which types of topics will come in this chapter. So this is very short chapter, is it, and very easy chapter it is. You will enjoy this chapter a lot compared to other chapters. It is really interesting chapter is this, and it will be helpful to you throughout the life, while you just know to handling some data. So which types of data? Here we are talking about some data, but what is the meaning of data? Let's see with some examples, so you will be better understood this. See this here, I'll show you one picture. See this here, I'll show you here some pictures. So what can you see in this picture? See, some students are saying that here is some erasers are there. Some students are saying here is some pencils are there. Some is saying some that sharpeners are there. A pen is there. Then a scale is also there, right? So many things is there. So this thing is a data for us. These things are mixed things. Which things it is? If you see these things, you can't see this, that how many pencils are there, how many erasers are there, right? So this one is an information for us. This thing is the data for us. See this. Let's make one table first. Which things you can see? So just take a notebook and pencil and just start writing. Which things can you see? So first of all, let's see a pencil. See here, the spelling of the pencil is given here. Pencil. You can see this. A pencil is written. See, so many pencils are there. Now scale. So for the particular thing we are giving a particular color, so we can easily identify. Okay. For the pencil we are taking a parrot green color. Which color we are taking for the pencil? So for the pencil, whenever you see one pencil, you have to put one dot. I repeat this thing again. Whenever you find a pencil, so for the one pencil there is a one round. One pencil and one round. Let's see this example after some time, but let's see here. Let's make some table first, and then after pencil let's take a scale. So for the scale I am taking a blue color. I repeat this thing. For the scale, I am taking a blue color. You can check this. For the scale, I am taking this blue color. Then a pen we are taking. Here you can see pen is also there. I am forget to take the name of this pen. So for the pen we are taking a yellow color dot, a yellow color circle. For the pen we are taking a yellow color circle. The circle is filled with yellow color. Okay. Then a sharpener. So for the sharpener we are taking a pink color. Which color we are taking for the sharpener? For the sharpener we are taking a pink color. And at the last, eraser. So for the eraser we are taking the purple color. Okay. So this one is the list. The list is ready with the color code, right? For the pencil it is a parrot green color. For the scale it's a blue color. For the pen we are taking a yellow color. For the sharpener we are using a pink color. For the eraser we are using a purple color. Okay. Now types of school supplies. Okay, types of the things. You can give heading this way, things. Okay, you can just write down things also in place of this writing. So first of all we are taking pencil. So first of all we have to find out that how many pencils is given in the picture. So I zoom the picture. So start finding, students, that how many pencils is given in the picture. For the one pencil we have to put a one dot. So this one is a 1, 2. This one is a 2 pencils. Yes, I am finding more 2 pencils. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here is 4 pencils I am finding. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I am finding 8 pencils in the picture. So I am zooming this picture for you. So please find out. I am giving you a 10-second time to find out that how many pencils in the given picture. You have to find out, students, that how many pencils is given in the picture. So check this. I think this one is 8 pencils. So let's check now if it is 8 dots or not. So let's start counting. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We are here putting 8 dots which in a green color. You have to make a dot with the same color which you put here, which you use here. So for here is, from this example you can check this here, total how many pencils are there. So total there are 8 pencils. Now let's find out the scale. So here I am taking a picture, so you can write down a spelling of the scale also. Those students who don't want to draw these pictures of these given things, so they can write down the spelling also. So here is the scale. So for the scale we are using a blue color. Which color we are using for the scale? We are using a blue color for the scale. So let's find out that how many scales is given in the picture. So let's start finding how many scales is there. So I zooming the picture. So you can easily find out that how many scales is given in the picture. So I can find out this one is a 1 scale. Here is the 2nd scale. And here is the 3rd scale. See this. Any other scales can you find out from the picture? No, there is only a 3 scales. Here is 1, here is 2 and here is 3. So you can check this here. Already the 3 circles is made with the blue colors. So how many scales are there? So there are 3 scales. So here I am putting the 3 blue color dots. Now let's find out the pen. For the pen we are using a yellow color. Which color we are using for the pen? So we are using for the pen a yellow color. So here I am zooming the picture for you students. So let's find out how many pens is there. You have a time for 10 seconds to find out how many pens is there in the given picture. So here is a pen, some picture is given. Okay, so here is 1 and 2. I can find out 2 pens in the given picture. So let's put a 2 dot which is filled with the yellow color. So how many pens is given in the picture? There is a 2 pens. So you have to draw a 2 dots with the yellow color. Now the next thing is a sharpener. So for the sharpener we are using a pink circles. So let's find out how many circles is given in the picture. How many circles are there? So here is one sharpener. Let's find out. Here is the sharpener number 1, a sharpener number 2, a sharpener number 3, sharpener number 4 and a sharpener number 5. So total there are 5 sharpeners. How many sharpeners can you find out from the picture? So from the given picture there are 5 sharpeners. So you can see this. Let's count the pink circle, that how many circles is given. Here is a 1 dot. You have to make dot with the pink color. Here is the 1, 2, here is a 3, here is a 4 and here is the 5. How many sharpeners are there in the given picture? So there is a 5 sharpeners is given. Now we have to find out a eraser. For the eraser we are using a purple circle. We are using a purple color. So the picture is in front of you on the screen students. So let's start finding that how many erasers are given. How many erasers you can see in the screen. Check this. Let's start counting that how many erasers are there. So here is eraser number 1, eraser number 2, eraser number 3 and here is eraser number 4. So I can find out 4 erasers from this picture. So I am just giving you a 10 seconds students to find out if it is 4 erasers or not. Just your times is start now. Just find out the information is right or wrong. How many erasers can you see in the picture? So many erasers are given in the picture. That is very interesting thing. So your 10 seconds is complete now. Now let's count. It is how many purple circle is there. See this. Here is the circle number 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So I think you will enjoy this data handling worksheet. That is a very important worksheet for you. So try this worksheet at your home. No need to draw these types of things. You can write down P in the place of pencil. You can write down E in the place of eraser. You can use the first letter of the particular thing and just try to find out. You can put different things by yourself. You can make your own examples also. We are taking so many worksheets, so you will be easily understand this concept of data handling. So this is the concept that some data is given here and we are properly arranged in the table form. So you can call it a data handling. Some data is given and data is not with the proper format. So we are giving a proper format to this information and this is very helpful for us. So we are taking so many other examples with some new things, new objects. So this one is the first worksheet of this chapter. So you have to write down this worksheet in the fair book students and just try to understand. Just watch the video twice if you don't understand it. Now this is the worksheet and you have to note down in the fair book. Now, this is the data handling chapter, so please students write down this worksheet in the fair book or rough book also, and do practice as much possible, because this is the very interesting table. If you just take it seriously, it is very helpful to you, and it is a very easy concepts is there. So please do revision of all the things. This one is the first worksheet of this chapter. So please stay home, stay safe, have a nice day. We'll meet in the next worksheet in the next lecture. So bye bye.